Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Craving a spicy and flavorful dish that's packed with bold flavors? Look no further than beef chili fry. This fiery stir fry is a culinary masterpiece that will tantalize your taste buds. Today I'll be guiding you through the step-by-step process of making this delicious dish at home. From the aromatic base to the tender beef and the vibrant vegetables, I'll ensure you have everything you need to create a restaurant quality meal. Get ready to be amazed as we combine the perfect blend of flavors and textures. With a few simple ingredients and a little patience, you'll be able to whip up this beef chili fry in your own kitchen. So grab your aprons, gather all your ingredients, and let's embark on a culinary adventure together. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. So without wasting any time, now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 600 grams boneless beef cut in strips, add some salt to taste, add 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon dark soya sauce, and then give this a nice mix. And marinate this for about 1 hour. Then in a hot pan add oil, add 5 garlic cloves chopped, 2 inch ginger chopped, and fry it until it is nice and light brown. Something like this. Then add 2 green chilies, 2 onion cut in cubes, 2 bell peppers cut in cubes, and fry it until it is nice and soft. Then add the marinated beef and fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Cover it and cook it for about 20 to 25 minutes. Then give this a nice mix. And add 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup, one tablespoon sriracha hot chili sauce, 2 tablespoons kimchi sauce, half tablespoon dark soya sauce, 1/4 cup spring onion white, 1 stock cube, and then fry this for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then cover it and cook it until the beef is fully cooked and soft. Then add some salt to taste. Add half cup spring onion green and then fry this for about 2 minutes. And there you have it guys, a mouth-watering beef chili fry. The perfect combination of tender beef, vibrant vegetables and fiery sauce. Every bite is a burst of flavor and I guarantee it will leave you wanting more. Whether you are a seasoned cook or just starting out, this recipe is a must try. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking. Bye.